Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to calculate range on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After open the Excel, just open up any document. Now if you want to calculate range of this data, at first you have to find out the minimum and maximum numbers of this data. Then you can calculate range of this data. So to calculate range, just select your all the data and then select any cell, then type equal, then type max, then just type minus, and then type minimum, just type min, and then press enter. Just type equal and then type max, then type bracket, then select your all the data, then close the bracket, then type minus, then type min, then type bracket again, and then select your all the data again, then just close the bracket, then press enter, and that's it. Here you can see the range is 13, and that way you can easily calculate range of any document. And that is how you can calculate range on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.